Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together.
Put half a teaspoon of oil in the pan. As you see, it's very little oil, and to that one I'm going to add about a pinch of asafoetida and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. तो जैसे आप देख रहे हैं इसमें हींग थोड़ी सी और थोड़ी सी cumin seed मैंने डाली है. I'm going to roast this one little bit. My asafoetida and cumin seed is roasted. Now to this one I'm going to put 1 large onion, 5-6 cloves of garlic chopped, and a big like 1-inch chunk of ginger chopped. I'm going to roast all this. And this one I have to saute like for 5 minutes until they are all golden brown. तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि मेरे जो cumin seed और asafoetida रोस्टेड हो गए थे, उसमें मैंने 1 ऑनियन, 4-5 क्लोव्स ऑफ गार्लिक एंड 1 इंच जिंजर में सब काट के इसमें डाली हूँ. अब इसको सॉटे करूँगी 5 मिनट जब तक कि ये गोल्डन ब्राउन नहीं हो जाता. So now you see my onion, ginger, garlic is sauteed and it's pretty much brown. जैसे कि देख रहे हैं कि मेरे onion, ginger, garlic brown हो गई है. और इसमें मैं अब ये लाल शिमला मिर्च लंबी लंबी करके काटी है उसको अब डाल दूँगी. I cut them lengthwise and I kept them long because I don't want them to get too wilted and too little and soft. So I kept them little bit long lengthwise cut. I'm going to add it to it. And we're going to cook this without any cover in low heat. So we're going to just saute. I'm going to cook it about 10 minutes. Maximum cooking time is 10 minutes for this. And this becomes very yummy. And you can eat it with rice, brown rice, or bread. तो इसको 10 मिनट हम चला के कुकिंग करेंगे, लेकिन हीट को जो है हम लो कर देंगे और 10 मिनट में बन जाएगा. इसको कोई कवर डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now if you put a cover it might become very soft, so we're not going to use any cover, but we do want to lower our heat. Now the spices we're going to add to it is salt, turmeric, little bit of hot spicy vegetable masala, a little bit of cumin seed roasted brown, little bit of garam masala. So just add all of this. And just keep it in low heat and cook it for 10 minutes or 15. So that's the trick for cooking in very little oil, is you cook it in low heat. Now to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaves chopped and 2 green chili peppers. As you see, this green chili peppers. So now it has everything it needs. And it's going to be cooking for 10 minutes or so. I'm going to lower the heat and let it cook. So as you see, my red pepper curry is ready. Sauteed red pepper. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मेरी लाल शिमला मिर्च ये sauteed onion के साथ ready है. So it took about 10 minutes. In between I put a lid for about couple of minutes to soften it. And now that it's softened but still it's kind of crunchy and really beautiful. This is crunchy and beautiful. It's very tasty and spicy, so I'm going to put in a bowl and give you a picture. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I will see you with many more videos. So मैं इसकी पिक्चर दूंगी, तो आप इसको कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियो और भी बनाऊंगी। ये बहुत टेस्टी होता है रोटी या राइस के साथ खाने में। And another thing, is loaded with vitamin C, and it also clears up your colon, so it's a good colon cleanser because it has tons of fiber, all the skins. So I'm just going to give a picture. Thank you. So now my oil is heated up, and to this one I put 1 teaspoon oil. To this one I'm going to add cumin seed and asafoetida. And this one I usually make it with only ginger, but today I'm adding about 1 small onion too. You can do it with the onion, you can do without the onion, but be sure to put ginger in it because it's really good with the oppo squash. As oppo squash is extremely beneficial for good health and digestion. Any kind of squash is really good. It lowers the blood pressure, cholesterol, sugar, everything. You can read it up, there are a lot of research on it. So I'm going to add this. So now I'm going to cook this one for 5 minutes until they are golden brown. So as you can see, the onion and the ginger is pretty much cooked, sauteed. So I'm going to add the oppo squash to it. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं मेरे onion and ginger pretty much sauteed हो गए हैं. इसमें मैं oppo squash डाल दूँगी. लौकी, oppo squash बोलते हैं इसको, हम अमेरिका में, इंडिया में लौकी बोलते हैं. तो इसको डाल के I'm going to saute this one about 5 minutes in low heat, and then I'll add the spices. And this is going to be very simple, so it's going to have very simple spices. Now the thing about oppo squash, the simpler you make, the tastier it gets, and the more spices you put, and onion, garlic, tomatoes, more it becomes very tasteless. So I'm going to just keep it simple. So I added salt and turmeric, namak और हल्दी मिलाया, और थोड़ा सा गरम मसाला, little bit of garam masala powder and little bit of vegetable curry masala powder and cumin. This is, you can make cumin and coriander, roast it, then ground it and keep it fresh, coarse ground it, and I added that. That's all. A little bit of water. So as you see, I'm going to add to this one about 2 cups of water. And I will add some fresh cilantro leaves. Now if you like hot, you can add some green or red chili peppers. I'll just add some cilantro leaves, and if I see it's not hot enough, I will add a little bit more of vegetable masala or just a few pepper, green chili pepper. So let me cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. As you can see, my oppo squash curry is ready, and it's really yummy and very simple and easy to make and very healthy and nutritious. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं कि मेरी oppo squash जो है लौकी की सब्जी हो गई है, और ये बहुत ही सिंपल बनाने का तरीका है और बहुत न्यूट्रिशियस एंड हेल्दी है, और पेट के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत सारी बीमारियों को भी ठीक करती है. तो ये ऐसी लौकी की सब्ज़ी सिंपल से बनाइए, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए इसकी रेसिपी और इसका मज़ा उठाइए. थैंक यू सो मच. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट एंड शेयर द वीडियो, एंड आई विल सी यू विद many more videos. सो जैसे कि देख रहे हैं मेरे ये लौकी का सब्जी बन गया है और ये बहुत ही यमी है, यमी यमी यमी. So as you see, my couscous is done and it's extremely yummy. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I will see you with many more videos.
Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.